do now is to make our images not that grid. They are completely taking one page, and that's not so nice. Therefore, we're gonna work on the image. We have here a button when you select this image to say, well, we can take image options. So that's what we're gonna do. And we have all kind of options to work with this image. So one possibility is also without those in this menu to resize this way. And you see the text is just running in. And that's what we are going to do. We're going to try to make it that small that it fits on the first page besides these things. Oh, we want to resize it a little bit more. And then one jump, it's running on here. What we're going to do, well, like the things like text wrapping. What the text is doing is it tries to be on the same line as the text. It is in line with text. That's the standard way. But I would like to wrap the text around it, and that's it. What you see here. It's around it. And when I want to align it on the right side of the page, I just can put here on. I can drag it, but I can also do it with the keyboard arrows. I'm hitting the keyboard arrows, so you can do it as far as you like. And I do it this way. So I'll do it, repeat it with the other images as well. Then we say that, we say wrap text, and then we gonna make it smaller. So the text is going around it, and then we see it's down, and when I put on the top arrow, it is rising. And I would like it very close to the top. You see to the heading of the recipe this way. And you will see all kinds of all these options are also found here. We go to the right a little bit more. So this way, maybe you can one line above, but maybe there might be trouble. We can do. We see a look later. In the next video, we are going to do with something with this very difficult header, which is taking much space at this moment. So that's what we're going to do. All those pictures. So when we say, well, we're going to do it on the right, and then we say we will make it smaller, and this is also very large. And we are confronted with another trouble thing, because the heading cell itself it's starting halfway the page, so it's hard to see when the other text is around. And we're going to solve that also in a coming video. This way and then no, this way. You saw my arrow was working, and that's because this one is still in line, so I'm going to tick this, and then I can hopefully, yes, move the picture on a place where it's more wanted. Then we have 2 pictures to go. Oh, this is the last picture. Our converted picture, also this way, also on the right. No, this way. So it's on the right. We can drag it with the mouse as well if you like it. Well, this is about working with the image.